What's up, water signs, you beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, Savage Unicorn Tarot, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And use the link in the description box of this video to book a personal reading with your girl. Okay? Okay. Thank you. All right, let's see what we got going on. Spirit, what messages do you have for water signs? Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Wow. Okay. So we have the King of Swords, Four of Wands, Four of Cups, Seven of Wands, the Hermit, and the Four of Swords. Better to have loved and lost, baby, than never to have loved at all. Because whoever you loved and lost really did a number on you. Oh no. So with the King of Swords out here being the first card, you know the King of Swords is all about intellect, logic, strategy. King of Swords is all about head over heart. Fuck what my heart is telling me. I don't give a damn about these feelings. I wish I didn't have them. I'm just paying attention to what I'm hearing in my head. I'm paying attention to what makes sense, not what feels right. That don't matter. Okay, what made sense to you, what you thought was the best thing to do was this Four of Wands energy. A relationship, a commitment, possibly a marriage, a solid foundation. You thought that this was the right thing to do. Having this with someone else. But having this Four of Wands energy with someone caused you to miss out on opportunities, aka blessings, that the Almighty was trying to give you, that the universe was trying to give you. You so wrapped up in this, nothing else mattered. Obviously, with this Four of Cups being out here, it didn't work out. You missed out on things, opportunities, situations that could have really benefited your life. Because this was all that mattered. Now you in your Seven of Wands energy. Now you got to guard up. You don't want to be touched. You don't want to be talked to. You don't want to be bothered. Especially with the Hermit being right after the Seven of Wands. Like, you are for real on D&D, okay? Do not disturb. Leave me the fuck alone, everybody. I don't want to be bothered by anyone. Why? Because you're hurt. Because you're sad. You're depressed. Last card is the Four of Swords. You need a break from reality. You need a break from life. It happens. Things might be a little too overwhelming for you right now. You don't want to deal. You just don't want to deal. Like, I thought I was being smart by giving this person, this situation, my all, and I ended up losing in the end. I ended up missing out because I thought that this mattered more than anything else. Now I don't want to be fucked with by anybody. I don't want to talk to nobody. I don't want to do nothing. What's the bottom of the deck? Yep. Nine of Cups. Self-love, self-fulfillment. I think that's something that you're lacking right now, water signs. Let's clarify. Clarify the Four of Cups. Let's get right into it. You put your all into something because you thought that was the right thing to do, and it turned out to blow up in your face. Happens to the best of us. Trust me. Four of Cups, please. The King of Cauldrons. King of Cauldrons is head and heart on one accord. The King of Cauldrons has managed to master emotions and intellect. His brain and his heart are saying the same fucking thing at the same fucking time. That's beautiful. That's balance. That's internal balance. Well-rounded, well put together. That's clarifying the Four of Cups, though. So you missed an opportunity to be that because you were focused on something or someone else. You didn't tend to yourself. Next card. Knight of Swords. Yeah, you made an impulsive decision. Your impulsive ass decision making caused you to miss out. Hello. Hello. Now the opportunity is gone. But it's okay. Don't worry. Death and rebirth are the same thing in tarot. So one opportunity may have left, but that doesn't mean you're not going to get any more. It's just that you missed out this time around because you were busy on other things that you thought were better. What about the Four of Wands? What about this solid foundation, this commitment, this relationship, this marriage? What goes it? Knight of Cauldrons. Nine of Cauldrons. And the Fool. So, this Four of Wands energy brought about romance, could have opened your eyes to a side of love that you never knew existed. Maybe this person or this relationship that you were in with this person really opened your mind and your heart up, really made you vulnerable, really made you see things in a different light. With the Nine of Cauldrons out here, this person that you were involved with could have made you feel like you have everything you need. You're complete. You're good now because you have the other half of you. But then we got the Fool card out here. A new beginning. A leap of faith. I feel like this Four of Wands energy that you gave made you feel powerful. Made you feel like you won. Maybe that's why you overlooked other blessings and opportunities, because you felt like you had all that you needed in this. Obviously not. What about the Yeah, give me the Seven of Wands. Let's clarify that. Seven of Wands is being clarified by the Eight of Cauldrons. Like I said, if this was all sugar and shit, peaches and cream, just the best of the best, then why are you in hermit mode? Why you got a wall up? Yeah, because it wasn't. Not with this Eight of Cauldrons out here. You walked away because it wasn't serving like you thought it was. It wasn't fulfilling like you thought it was. This bond that you had with somebody, this relationship, this commitment, whatever the hell it wasn't everything that it was cracked up to be. Like, you hyped it up way too much, fam. That's what I'm getting. You put a lot of emphasis on this bond, on this relationship. But bigger and better is passing you by. Because all you see is this. Well, give me another card for this. Oh, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, you're fated for something else. You're destined for someone else. This ain't the end all be all, baby. You treated it like it was, but it's not. You have more to do. You have more to see. You have other people to meet. Woo! Seven of Shields. Yeah. You still have your future to plan for. You still have some investing to do in your life, in your livelihood. You still have seeds to sow. This ain't the final stop. Let me get one more. Let me just, because I'm curious about this King of Swords. Let me just get one card for the King of Swords and I'm going to let it go. Clarify the King of Swords, please. Just one card. Equilibrium. This is temperance. Patience. This is what you should have had. Instead of having such a concrete way of thinking, baby. You believe that the decision you made to pour your all into this connection was the best decision. That was the most logical explanation. Like, I'm supposed to be doing this. This is all that matters. This is what makes sense. So this is what I'm going to do. You should have waited to get more clarity and understanding before moving towards this and only focusing on this. Because while you were putting your all into whatever the hell this was, other blessings, other opportunities for you to be happy passed you by. Now you got to wait for the next round of blessings to come. What did I say? Bottom of the deck. I just said you should have waited for more clarity and understanding. Bottom of the deck is the Hangman. Seeing things and situations from a different view, a different perspective. Being able to gain knowledge from seeing things from different angles than others. That's what you should have waited on. But you making this move made sense at the time, so you did it. It happens. Like I said, it happens to the best of us. It's okay. Now you have a wall up. Now you don't want to be bothered. You got to do some self-reflection. You got to do some introspection. You have to look within you to see what's next for you. What do you really want out of life? What do you want to do? This happened. It obviously didn't work out. Okay. What's next? The world is your oyster, baby. Do whatever you please. Let's see what Spirit has to say. Oh, that's a cute little card. A little purple card. Dearest you, you have a unique purpose and destiny that only you can fulfill. But first, you need to know that destiny isn't a destination. You don't arrive at some special place where, poof, you're perfect and happy all the time. It's about establishing and firming up a commitment to a certain experience, whatever form that takes. Your soul knows what you need to experience. Your destiny is to be present to all of life's adventures, to discover your talents and full potential through allowing inspiration to lead you, and to risk standing apart from the crowd to listen to your soul. Standing apart from the crowd to listen to your soul. That's what this hermit mode is about. You are special as much as you are also paradoxically one with the world. Individual, yet part of a great whole. Both truths have led you to this moment where we are saying you are on the right track, even if your ego self doesn't see that. Listen to your soul. Check in with Spirit. Keep going. Spirit loves you. Life loves you. We love you. I love that message. All right, water signs, that's all I got for y'all. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Excuse me. And when you guys are ready for a personal reading from your girl, click the link in the description box of this video. All right, good luck, guys. Be safe. Bye.